Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Windows Update error 0x8024401f or error 0x8024402f, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. For that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we will click on system, scroll down for troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters, and then we will click on the run button next to the Windows Update troubleshooter, and it should run the process and fix the issue. If that doesn't work and you still get the error, then you need to disable your VPN. Right click on the settings, on the start button, go to settings, go to network and internet, click on VPN, and if there's a VPN added here, then just remove it and make sure it's switched off, or make sure it's switched off. Now, once that's done, we will also reset the Windows Store. So we will click on the Windows key plus the R key to bring up the run dialog. And then we will type in the command WS reset and we'll click enter. And this will reset the Windows Store. Finally, if none of these work, if the update error still shows up, then we need to do a cloud reset. And that's the final solution. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on system, click on recovery, and then click on reset PC, click on remove everything. And I advise you, before you remove anything, you have to back up all your personal data and files and folders into the third party, into in external hard disk, so that you can recover it when your PC is reset, because this will delete all that data. And then you need to click on cloud download and click on next, and this should install a new copy of Windows on your computer, and this problem should no longer appear. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.